Have you ever wondered what happens when you press the power button on your laptop or phone? What is the first thing that wakes up and starts running everything? Today we'll uncover the secret software that controls your computer, phone, games, and apps, the operating system. What is an operating system? Simple definition. An operating system, OS, is the main software that manages all the hardware and software on a device. Easy analogy. Think of a school. Students equals apps. Classrooms equals memory, RAM. Teachers equals hardware. Principal equals operating system. The principal organizes everything so the school runs smoothly. Examples: Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, iOS. Why do we need an operating system? Without an OS, apps couldn't talk to hardware. Your keyboard wouldn't work properly. Files couldn't be organized. Games couldn't access graphics cards. Main jobs of an operating system. A. Process management. Controls running programs. Decides which app gets CPU time. Example: gaming while listening to Spotify and chatting on Discord. B. Memory management. Manages RAM. Gives memory to apps when needed. Example: too many browser tabs equals slower computer. C. File management. Organizes files and folders. Example: documents, pictures, downloads folders. D. Device management. Connects hardware like keyboard, mouse, printer, webcam. E. Security. Passwords. User accounts. Permissions. Antivirus support. Popular operating systems. Windows. Great for gaming. Most popular desktop OS. Fun fact: used on over 1 billion devices. macOS. Smooth performance. Popular with creators. Fun fact: runs only on Apple computers. Linux. Free and open source. Used by programmers. Fun fact: many websites run on Linux servers. Android. Most popular mobile OS. Fun fact: based on Linux. iOS. Apple's mobile OS. Known for security. What happens when you turn on a computer? Boot process simplified. Press power button. BIOS UEFI starts. Operating system loads. Login screen appears. Apps become ready. Fun facts about operating systems. Linux powers most internet servers. Android is based on Linux. Early computers had no graphical interface. Windows was first released in 1985. Millions of lines of code make up modern operating systems. Quick quiz. Question 1. What does an operating system do? Question 2. Name 2 mobile operating systems. Question 3. Which OS is famous for being open source? Conclusion. Key takeaways. An OS is the software that manages a device. It controls hardware and software. It manages memory, files, security, and apps. Popular OSs include Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. Call to action. Which operating system do you use? Windows, macOS, Android, or iPhone? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more computer tech videos. Please comment if you have any question. That was fun.
Subscribe and join the journey bright. Keep learning, keep building day and night. See you.